Ice cream. Oh, ito. Lagay mo dito,
Oh,
boy.
and the strawberries.
Hello po mga kaibigan. Ayan, kumuha si
No,
Cristiano ng...
that's mine.
It's okay. Bigay mo si CJ din. O, lagay mo dito. Ano yung gagamitin? Okay. Ayan na sila. Lagay mo, Goy. Good. Sarap. Nice. Ayan mga kaibigan, ang mga ano.
I'm sorry.
You gotta pick it up, bebe. Ayan yung saging, mga nakuha sa basura mga kaibigan na nilagay ko sa... Bebe, bigay mama. I'm gonna wash that. Wash. Huwag mong kunin, be. Lagay natin, oh, mga... So, gusto ni Kishana ngayon is strawberries. Ayan. So, nalagyan natin ng konting saging para dumami kasi nga. Konti lang ilagay natin yung strawberry kasi. Ang dami sa strawberry sa basura. Grabe, oh. Tingnan mo nga.
Yum.
Uy, ang
Yummy strawberry.
Tama na ba to?
No!
Okay lang, be. That's okay. Kayo lang naman kumakain yan, eh. That's fine. That's okay. Kayo lang ang kakain.
No!
Bigyan mo si CJ ng strawberry cake. Gusto niya kainin.
No, CJ.
Ay ka. Ano ng baby? Hindi ko mabuksan to. Ayan. Ayan. Ilan na ba dyan? Okay, tama na to. Okay na, Goy? Tama na yung strawberry na yan. Okay, be. Bigyan mo kay mama. Ilayo natin kasi kakainin. Huwag mo na ibalik dito, ha? That's it. That's it, CJ. Okay. Okay. Goy, halika, Goy. Parang konti lang to, Goy. Parang konti lang ang ayan. Okay.
Oh, no.
Go, put your face, honey.
I don't touch it.
Uy.
Okay, delicious.
Mag-cone din si CJ. Mamaya na ang cone.
I want to have cone, not for CJ. Oh, you want some more different cones? I'm going to try it. Can I try it with Dad?
Wait.
First, Fisher?
Almost. Okay. Asan yung cone?
This thing. Can I try it?
Wait. Excuse John. Excuse John. We're gonna move this first, okay? Kuha tayo ng kutsara. Okay? Wait lang. Kunin mo yung takos.
Scoopy.
Yung scoop.
What's a scoop? Here's my scoop. Oh, that's a picture nice.
Saan yung scoop, be?
Is that right here?
Excuse. Tingnan mo daw dyan. Sa harapan mo. Tinan mo, doon. Ah, ay, ito lang pala.
Oh, give me that. Scoop it up.
Scoop. Okay, CJ, come on.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, bud. Alright. Ayan na mga kaibigan. Give me the ano cone.
No. Okay.
Oh, you
Let
wanna
me try
taste?
one. Let me
Okay.
try one.
Gusto niya mo taste. Mmm.
Delicious.
Wow. Be, cone. Ikaw maglagay? Cone ba? Cone. Go, yung cone. Good. More pa, CJ? Oh.
Are we opening right here?
Yeah. Ayan, ang ice cream. Lagay ko dito kay CJ, Goy. Asan yung ano na to? Lagay ko dito yung kay CJ, okay?
Okay. Uncle.
Para.
My mama. Oh. That's it.
Okay.
One scoop for me.
Okay, you can eat now, but
One scoop up. One scoop right there.
huwag mo na hawakan yan.
My scoop.
You need help?
Not a lot. More a lot. You keep going. You scoop my own. Mommy,
Hindi ako.
you scooped it a lot. Now that's it. Only one scoop and that's it.
Okay.
Because I don't want it too
Baka si
much.
CJ gusto din ng cone.
That's it. Not for CJ. Not for CJ.
Oh, sorry. That's okay. I wipe it. Wipe. Ito na. Okay.
No.
Ayan ang kanilang ice cream. Oh, tingnan mo. CJ, mag-cone ka, be. Bigyan natin si CJ.
No.
No, but isa lang cone for him. Okay.
No ice cream on it.
Gusto niya i-cone. See?
No ice cream on it. No ice cream on it.
Uy! Lagyan natin yung ice cream mo.
There's 2 ice cream cones.
Ayan. Ayan mga kaibigan, maganda to kasi ano ba? Presko. Walang halong artificial. Very good, John. Good? Nice. Walang harong artificial. Yeah, kainin mo to. Dito sa likod. Oh. Yan. Okay, mahulog. Okay. Oh, dito din sa kabila. Dito sa kabila. Hawak. Yan. Very good. Kuha ako dito sa akin. Ikaw, Goy, gusto mo maglagay dito sa ano?
No, I have 1 cone to eat it.
No. You have to have ice cream on the cone, please. If you're not gonna use it, then we'll do you next time. Okay? More ice cream? CJ? Masarap, Goy.
Look!
What happened? That's okay, that's baby. It's okay. Yum. Lagyan natin yung ano ni CJ, be. Wala nang laman ang kanyang apa. Sige doon. Okay, ilagay mo.
Look. Ah!
Ano man yan? Fruit flies. Sige na.
No.
No more?
No.
Okay. Tapos na, no more, done? Tanggalin natin yung loob kay ayaw mo pala. Goy, gusto mo to, Goy? Ayaw ni CJ.
Oh, no.
Oh, gusto na pala niya. Masarap yan, Dong. Masarap yan. Ayaw mo? Akin to. Lagyan na ice cream? Hmm.
More?
Okay, open your phone.
Uh,
Here, CJ.
no.
Oo. No more?
I want more.
Okay. Ako maglagay, Bebe.
You put one scoop again. One scoop. I'll hold it. Look at that. One scoop for me.
More, CJ.
Yes, that's it.
Paragdagan ni CJ yung kanya. Okay, that's good, that's good. Kay atin na to.
Are we put that for the? Will we share? Will we put some for next time? More ice cream next
We're
time.
gonna make a fresh one, Goy.
Why?
Kasi kunti lang naman ito, Goy. Kung atong itago, Goy. Ubusin na. Kunti lang naman ang laman. Oh, tingnan mo. Marapit ang maubos. Okay? That's okay, bud. Okay lang. Masarap ang ice cream. Dagdagan, Goy?
I'm gonna eat the ice cream.
Okay. Ilayo.
This ice cream tastes fantastic. Yum.
Nice. I'm glad you like it. Meron pa, oh. Tastes fantastic, ha?
It's great and good.
Mm-hmm. Old CJ. Malamig CJ.
I want the strawberry.
Kainin mo itong kay CJ, Goy. Ayaw niya eh. Sarap kaya? Yummy. Break mo sa box for next time.
Yep. There's something wrong.
Bakit?
Try to push it.
Isa na lang pala, Goy.
For me.
The only one.
That's for me. That's for me.
The only one. Okay na, good na, good.
Also, that's not.
Masarap daw mga kaibigan yung ating gawang ice cream.
That's fun.
Ayan, busog na si CJ Buyag.
Nice.
You gonna stay here, bebe. Huwag ka pupunta. Kishana! Are you done na? You're not done yet. Stay here in the kitchen. Si CJ. Hindi na makasalita Don Julio. Busog na.
Ta-da! Loud.
Be, tapos ka na, be. Dana ka. Ka, wash your face, ka. Ka, wash your hands. Goy, ugasan mong kamay ni CJ. Tapusin ko yung ice cream ko. Ubusin ko tong tira. Kay, sayang. Sige mga kaibigan, ingat po. Bye-bye.